Hey guys, today I'm gonna be building something extremely cool. I'm gonna be building a smart vending machine. Any random price can come out of this vending machine. I'll use this paper to wrap around the vending machine, but first I need to build it. This may look easy, but it's gonna take a while.
Ooh, smart vending machine. Win surprise prize? Ooh, how do I win this? Hello, anyone? Anyone? Huh?
Hey, what are you doing here?
Oh, I saw that I was a smart vending machine and I wanted to win some surprise.
You come to the perfect place. It'll be $5 to play the vending machine.
Oh no, I don't have any money. But is there any other ways I can win a surprise?
There are some options. You can put something inside and you'll get a surprise.
Alright, I'm gonna put something in now.
Wait, I haven't even finished building it.
Oh, but if I help you build it, can I try it?
Sure.
Okay. Done. And what's the next part?
Okay, now we need to wrap around the vending machine. Should be done soon. Okay, all done.
Wait, where's the prize gonna come from?
Well, since it's a very smart and cool vending machine, I have to make something unique. So I'm gonna put a slide inside the vending machine for where the prize will come out.
Huh? I thought you were just gonna put it through this way.
Nope, let me show you. I'm gonna use this huge slide right here. I'm gonna pump it up.
How's this gonna work?
We're gonna put this inside the house so when the prize comes out, it's gonna come down.
Huh? So you mean when the prize comes, it slides down?
Yeah, so it's unique.
Oh, okay.
Let's start blowing it up. Where's the blowy thing?
Oh, right here.
No, but where's the spot? Okay, all done.
So how does the prize work?
The prize is gonna drop from here and drop all the way down to here.
Can I try?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You're gonna be some surprise.
Go.
Whee!
Yay!
This is so cool. I can't wait to win my surprise.
Anything can come down from this amazing vending machine.
Ooh.
Yeah, let's put it inside.
You wanna do the prize too?
No.
Oh.
Nerd. I'm just testing it out.
Wiggle wobble, wiggle wobble. Whee! Oh my god.
Bounce castle.
That was alright, let's put it inside the house.
How? We gotta lift this part up, then put it in.
Gosh.
Is it gonna fit?
It's on the thing.
Oh,
that hurt.
Okay, we got the prize dispenser and now let's finish up the front.
Okay.
Let's get
We're gonna
this.
use.
I'll pull it up after. All done. Now let's get this side. We're gonna use this. Cardboard? Yeah, get the white tape. Okay, all done with the vending machine.
I'm excited to win a surprise.
Go ahead and try then.
I don't have anything to put in.
Look around then.
I need to put something in to win a surprise. Where could I find something? Because I don't have anything with me. What's that over there? Ah. Trash. Maybe trash will help. I have these small cardboards and see if I can win a surprise. Okay, this one first. Okay, is there anything? No. Second one. Okay, last one. All right, let's go collect my prize. All right, I'm excited for the prize. Ooh, what could it be? What's all that noise? I think it's gonna come. What's happening? Huh? What's this? A piece of trash? Cardboard? More cardboard? Why am I getting this? I put trash inside. Even more? What's going on? I thought I would get a surprise. A bag? Yes, a surprise bag. Let's see, let's see. What? I can't believe I got more trash. I worked so hard and I got trash.
Trash? What'd you put in?
I put in small pieces of trash.
That's exactly how the smart vending machine works.
I don't want more trash.
That's a random surprise. For example, if you put in $1, maybe you'll get $100.
Huh? What's this?
Oh, perfect timing. We just finished the smart vending machine.
What is it gonna do? Can I win something?
Yeah, you can win random stuff.
Oh. Yeah, like trash. Oh. Okay, can I try?
Sure.
Where do you put it?
Over here. Follow me. Here's the vending machine. You can win random surprises.
Okay. I have $100 in a ball. What should I put in?
The $100.
So I'm not sure if I might lose the money.
You can test out the ball then.
Okay. And we're gonna put it in like this. Where do I go now?
Let's go check to see if you got your prize.
Okay.
Here to collect your prize.
Okay. Oh my god, that's a lot of balls!
Got your prize.
Oh my god, that's so much balls! Yay! I'm gonna put my $100. I want to duplicate something and get a bigger one. What can I find here? Ooh, there's a desk. Maybe there's a lot of stuff here. Do I need another chair? No. What could there be? Trash? No, I'm not doing that again. Let's go check those chairs. Wait, that's a lot of balls. So if I put $100, I will get more $100.
Possibly.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in.
Okay, let's see if he's gonna win a lot of $100.
Let's win some more money with this $100. Let's put it in, and I'm gonna see what. Let's see how much hundreds I'm gonna get. What? That's so little.
Where did you gain money?
Wait, but those
Money.
are all, these are all $1 bills. Wait, where's the more hundreds? Wait, that's only $11, not $100. This is not working right, and it's not smart.
It is smart. You put in 1 bill, then you got 11 bills.
Can't believe this is happening.
Well, at least you know you have a lot of bills and you have a lot of balls. Take your balls. Take them. Don't make a mess. Take them.
Okay, Rubik's Cube. Maybe I can use this. But I'm not good at solving them. I'm gonna put that back in there. Check in here. No, nothing in there that I need. What in here? A toy? This is a plushie. I want a bigger one. Okay, so it has brown, whisker, a smile, and a tail. Let's see if we can get the same thing. Okay, I found the ball. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's go check. I'm so excited.
What are you excited for?
I put a ball in there and I'm excited to see what happens.
Oh, is anything gonna come down?
It doesn't take that long to come down. Hello?
Maybe because you put a ball in there, when it comes down, it splashes everywhere, so it's not gonna do it again.
So how will I get my ball back?
I have an idea. Let's blow this up so it doesn't get messy.
Oh, good idea.
Okay, all done. How are we gonna put this in?
Trust the
Can't put it
process.
in. Oh, no, you can. So I came up with an even better idea. I built this dispenser holder. Since last time when the ball spilled, they splashed everywhere. So this time, if it falls down, this will hold it. Now let's go try it out. Okay, let's put it in. Now let's get back in the way. Okay, let's see. Anything gonna come down? Hello, vending machine. The balls! They're coming down. This was a great idea. See, none of them spilled out. This is so cool.
Chloe,
Yeah?
I want something bigger.
Okay, go try it then.
Okay, we're at the smart vending machine. See? It's small like my face. And let's see if I get a bigger one. Huh? How am I gonna put it in? There's tape everywhere. Okay, let's put it in. Now let's wait. Okay, let's see if I get a bigger cat. Okay.
Come on, vending machine.
Whoa!
You got a bigger one.
It's brown, black, it has a smile, whiskers, and a tail.
It's so cool. It was just like the other one, but bigger.
Yeah, and it's bigger than my face.
Yeah, it really worked.
Yeah, thank you. I'm getting pretty thirsty. Do you have any water with you?
Yeah. Here you go.
Huh? A half bottle? I think I need a whole bottle.
Okay, go put it in the vending machine then. Okay, I'm gonna go look for something to make bigger.
Let's see if I can get more water. Okay, I'm ready for my water. Ooh, I'm gonna play with these balls while I wait. Woo! Oh, it's so many. It's like 1, 2. I can't even count. There's so much. Ah! What? Why is there so much water? Oh my god, this is so weird. Wait. Oh, it's so cold. I need to go.